Hey everybody, Johan Magnusson here, Big Swede Barbecue. Today we're making flank steak street tacos on the Infinity 66 pizza oven from WPPO. So the first thing that we want to do is trim and season the flank steak, so let's get to that. So we got a beautiful large Australian Wagyu flank steak. We're gonna trim off some of the silver skin and also remove some of the excess fat. And look at that beautiful marbling. Then we're gonna season the flank steak on both sides with Malcolm Reed's Grande Gringo Mexican seasoning. I love that flavor on flank steak. It's important to let the flank steak sit so the seasoning really can penetrate into the meat. So the flank steak is now seasoned, so let's fire up the pizza oven. We wanna open up the gas valve and then we wanna turn the knob to pilot and press the igniter button. When we got a small flame, we want to turn it to high heat, and now we're going to heat it up for about 30 minutes. To add a little bit of smoke, we're going to place a few oak wood chunks into the wood chunk holder. We're going to place that in the pizza oven as well. After about 20 minutes, we're going to lower the temperature. And we're also going to oil a heavy cast iron pan and place in the pizza oven as well. After about 10 minutes, the cast iron pan is hot, so carefully remove it from the pizza oven. And then we're gonna place the flank steak in the cast iron. Now we wanna place this back into the pizza oven. Then we wanna cook the flank steak for 3-4 minutes until we got a beautiful sear. Then we're gonna remove the cast iron pan again. Now we're gonna flip the flank steak over. We're gonna place it back into the pizza oven again. And now we wanna cook this until we reach an inner temperature of about 135 degrees. If needed, flip the flank steak a couple of more times to prevent from burning. When the flank steak sits at 135, take it out and let it rest for about 7 minutes. While the flank steak is resting, we can turn down the temperature on the pizza oven. Now we want to toast the flour tortillas on the pizza stone for about a minute, and then we want to remove them. The flank steak is rested, so now we want to cut it into beautiful thin strips, and then it's time to build the tacos. We're gonna place a couple of spring leaves at the bottom. We also wanna have some avocados, cube them up and add. Then we wanna add plenty of flank steak. We're gonna add some pico de gallo. And then we wanna top this with some roasted salsa and some lime cilantro crema. Last but not least, we're gonna garnish with some cilantro, and then these beautiful Wagyu flank steak street tacos are ready to serve. And that is how I make my Wagyu flank steak street tacos on the Infinity 66 from WPPO. And I think the only thing left to do is to try these and see what they taste like. They look phenomenal, so here we go. Tilt the head, not the taco. Happy grilling. Heck yeah.